for data, voice signal, electronics device. Bluetooth design has a small size, it has a low power consumption and low cost. Short area, but it means Bluetooth means short area wireless technology, developed by SIG. SIG means Special Interest Group. Mostly it uses in laptop, computers, cellular phones, headset, keyboard, as well as in digital camera and other consumer electronics device. 362 million Bluetooth device has shipped in 2004. Uses the radio range of radio 2.4 gigahertz. Theoretical maximum bandwidth is 1 mega per second. Cerebral Bluetooth device can an ad hoc network called a PIC notch. In a PIC notch, in a PIC notch, one device acts as a master and other as a slave. For example, for example, JK flip flop, JK J as a master and K is a slave. According to in example PIC notch. Example a conference room with any laptop wishing to communicate to other people. That range is less than 10 meter. Piconets, one master and up to 7 slaves. Next property, 2.4 gigahertz ICM, industrial, scientific, medical. Spread frequency hopping, point to multi-point. Next, Bluetooth stack, Bluetooth host, software, Bluetooth controller, hardware, HCI, host control interface. In this application diagram through explain Bluetooth hosts in software and Bluetooth control in hardware, and last is HCI, host control interface. Then next Bluetooth specification, standard IEEE 802.15, ICM, bandwidth frequency 2.4 gigahertz, range 10 to 100 meters, channel bandwidth 1 megabits per second, maximum asymmetrical data transfer 721 kilobytes per second, kbps. Device with 10 meter can share up to kbps of capacity, available globally for unlicensed user. Bluetooth attack example, Bluetooth snapper attack get personal information. Then blue jack attack send unwanted message. Blue bug attack full SSAT command. Bluetooth next Bluetooth specification. Then next history. The original architecture of Bluetooth name after the 10th century Danish king Harley Bluetooth. The original architecture was Asian mobile communication. In 1998, IBM, Intel, Nokia, and Bluetooth SIG Special Interest Group. Then standard within the IEEE 802.15 version PAN Personal Area Network, working thus in 1998. IBM, Intel, Nokia formed the Special Interest Group for promotion and development Bluetooth technology. The first Bluetooth silicon was also ready in 1998. And then SIG include two market leader in telephony, two in laptop computing, and one in digital signal processing DSP. Two in laptop DSP. The weeks wing in the game. The thousands of companies to join hand to SIG Special Interest Group for the endorsement and expansion technology. Then security aspect in Bluetooth. The Bluetooth system provides security at two levels, at link layer and application layer. The link layer, four different entities are used for maintaining security at the link layer of Bluetooth device address, two secret keys and pseudo network random number that shall be regenerate for each transaction. The four entities and their size are summarized in summarized in table B adder 48 which private user key authentication 128, and then private user encryption compar comparable length 8 to 128 bits. Then L2 CAF info security for codeless telephony. RF form info security for dial up network OBES. X file transfer and synchronization one feeder to other feeder, then then communicate to be one system one feeder to other feeder. The encryption key in Bluetooth changes every time the encryption is activated. The authentication key depend on the running application to change the key or not. And another regarding the key is that then application is then first there is application, then profile, and profile data to be sent to L2 cap layer, then to be sent baseband layer, then radio layer. Then encryption key is derived from the authentication key during the authentication process. Then network topology. The Bluetooth system support both point to point and point to multi-point. It is called network topology. Then security modes in Bluetooth. In Bluetooth, there are three security modes which are mode 1, non-secure, mode 2, service level security. Trust device. The specification describe how the technology work and Bluetooth protocol architecture. The profiles describe how the technology is used, how different parts of the specification can use to fulfill a desired function. For a Bluetooth device, untrust device, unknown device. Mode 3 link level. The trust device is a device that has been connected before its link is very stored and it flagged as trust device. In the device, the untrust device are devices that have also previously connected and authentication link is stored, but they are not flagged as a trust device. Then working of Bluetooth. Basically, Bluetooth is the term used to describe the protocol of a short range, that is 10-meter frequency hopping radio link between devices. This device implementing the Bluetooth technology are termed Bluetooth enabled. Documentation on Bluetooth is divided in two sections: the Bluetooth specification and Bluetooth. The specification describe how the technology work. The profile describe how the technology is used. Then Bluetooth protocol architecture. As the report is designed mainly for the separate spectrum technique, course the tech protocol in the lower level are described more extensively and upper layer protocol are just mentioned with a very brief description. Moreover, one should note the upper layer protocol totally depend on the lower level protocol, whereas the lower level can function immediately every totally depend different set of upper protocol. Then Bluetooth radio. The Bluetooth radio is the lowest defined layer of the Bluetooth specification. It requires the range of 2.4 GHz ICM band. The Bluetooth area interface based on the three power classes: power class 1, power class 2, power class 3. The power class range is approximate 100 meter and maximum output power of 20 dB. Then power class 2 ordinary range device approximate 10 meter, maximum output of 4 dB meter. And then last power class 3 short range device approximate 10 centimeter with the maximum output of 0 dB meter. Then scattered two or more piconets with overlapping coverage area from the scatter net. Slabs is a one piconet can master and then slab in other piconet. Up to 10 to fully loaded piconets can coexist in the scatternet. And then the communication protocol is described following state diagram. Piconets one master and 7 slave a scatternet up to 10 piconets in a scatternet. Then links SCO and ACL links. Then frequency hopping separate spectrum. It is a spread spectrum modulation scheme that has a narrow carrier that varies frequency in a passenger random pattern known to both transmission and receiver. To an unintended receiver, frequency hopping separate spectrum appear to to short duration impulse noise. Only transmitter and receiver are desynchronized same hop frequency pattern access to transmit data. The transmitter switch hop frequency 16,000 times per second to assure a high degree of data. And also compared to DSSS, FHSS, too simpler to build, higher noise intensity. Then goals of Bluetooth. Goals of Bluetooth are unification and harmony as well as specification enabling different devices to communicate through a commonly accepted standard. Then Bluetooth operates in the unlicensed ICM band at 2.5 GHz frequency band and use frequency hopping spread spectrum technique. Then, for example, smart sensor nodes. Smart sensor network consists of several smart sensor nodes and gateway. Each smart nodes consist of many sensor or microcontrol or Bluetooth radio module. Microcontroller is responsible for smart node logic. Then advantage: low power consumption, no line of sight restriction, reliable. The 2.4 GHz ensure universal capability. The qualification and logo program ensure high quality, very robust, as the radio hop faster and user shorter packets. And then disadvantage of Bluetooth: too many unfeasible application. To do we really need it? No handover capability. Initial stage, so it needs to prove its worth, and few analog or codeless have to operate at the 2.4 GHz band. Certainly interference exists in between, but our more seriously effect be exert on analog 2.4 GHz codeless phone 802.11 Bluetooth. Then application of Bluetooth. Bluetooth has varied number of applications. Each application has corresponding mobile phones, digital cameras, home networking, music, medical, child monitoring, 3-in-1 phone, etc. Then research work. Currently, a protocol is being researched that would be support large and ad hoc network. Then ultra wideband has been chosen by Bluetooth Special Interest Group as the feature of Bluetooth technology. Then many companies have designed impressive Bluetooth application in the demand. Then conclusion: Bluetooth technology is a short-range wireless specification aimed at simplifying communication among internet device and between device and then internet. In conclusion, it can be said that Bluetooth refer not only to technology but also to a standard and specification. The take of the Bluetooth has taken is remark, capturing the attention and money of major corporation throughout the world. If we can be alive up to expansion and the needs of global market in easy and represent facts internet. Then feature scope of Bluetooth has a good feature and because it meets a basic need of connectivity. Last version of Bluetooth are improving both the security and capability. New version of Bluetooth technology will be meet the high speed and high range, and it's to move the Bluetooth security network. And thank you.